In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money with Z Money Transfer. Here's how it works. Once you load up the website, first you will need to choose the destination country. Which country will you be sending money to? Right here, I will just choose the first country which I see. Now you will need to choose the currency which you will be sending the money in. For example, I'll do my own currency. And you will need to type the amount in this section. So for example, let's do 500, and this is going to automatically convert this to the country you're sending to's currency. You can then choose the payment method, so bank transfer. This is going to take typically 3 days in our case, and it's going to show you the fee here. Afterwards, the fee actually is going to be displayed in this section. I don't know, this is the extra fee, why that it shows us. And then you will click on sign in and send. The next step will be creating your account. You can choose either a personal or a business account, and it's going to ask for your email and for you to set a password. Then you will need to verify your account. You will go through the verification process, confirm your country, your information, and then that is going to confirm the payment. And that is how you send money with Z Money Transfer. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.